Are you tired of hurting under your armpits on crutches, falling over, and having just about nowhere to stash your things?
If only I had pockets.
Well, I have a solution for you.
Get it.
It's time to pimp out your crutches, and for less than $10 at that. So if you're ready to change the way that you handle injury, keep watching. It's Morgan Elise, and this is my piece.
Hey yo, we about to go pimp
Some crutches.
Okay, y'all. So I'm here today with some interesting news. Your girl sprained her ankle.
Oh man.
Yeah. How did I sprain my ankle? Well, long story short, your girl took a tumble. Yeah, I fell down a flight of steps. Pretty much said, doop 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 doop. That was me. I just yeah, I pretty much tumbled the way my phone just did. But basically, I have on an ankle brace currently. Long story short, your girl's on crutches. That was the real point here. I don't want to be stuck with some dull, ugly crutches. No one likes that. You know, it's really annoying. They already are pretty uncomfortable and a little bit of a nuisance. So I wanted to make my experience as comfortable and beautiful and fashionable as possible. So I did what I always do. Pimped it out.
I'm a pimp named Slick Back, pimp named Slick Back, pimp named Slick Back.
So basically today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to pimp out your crutches. For starters, you need a handy dandy trip to the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree and everything I got was under $10, literally. So basically, again, I got some adorable teddies. I got a little fuzzy hat. I got some adorable flowers to create some beauty. I got some stickers. Actually, if you can see, this actually is a pocket. Also got scissors and I have some super glue. Altogether, I spent less than $10 on these items. So if you're working on a budget, no worries. You do not need a bunch of money. All right, first things first, teddy bear. The worst thing about crutches is this right here. No one wants to deal with that discomfort, you know? So we're gonna take away the discomfort and we're gonna put a little furry friend. So I'm gonna start by taking off the tag. Actually, I'm just gonna use my scissors so I don't mess up my little friend here. Okay. Now that I've removed the tag, I'm going to cut this off as well because that looks a little annoying. So I want the body to be like this as if it's hugging it because I think that looks super, super adorable and also super comfy. I'm just gonna start putting it on there. I mean, it's super glue, right? It should just stick.
Oh, that smells super gluey.
I'm gonna just hold this here and make sure it gets really bonded. Oh yeah, it's on there. I think I'm even gonna put a little glue on the hands to stick the hands down. All right, and I am now bonding the last hand on. And this is just so that I have complete comfort and stability. Bam. And we're just gonna go ahead and do that to the other side as well. Now I have both of my tops done. Next, I am going to add some lovely decorations. I think decorations make everything look so much prettier, especially when they are floral. So at this point, I'm pulling it apart. Yeah, I think that's super pretty. And this kind of wire that's sticking out down here, I'm just going to wrap around here. Super glue and leaf worked. So if you decide to do this, super glue the leaf. That is how you are going to create the attachment you want between one material to the next. And be careful to put something in front of it when you're doing it. I'm using this now to press down because it does bleed through, and that's exactly how I got some of my fingers. And you don't want to keep getting super glue on your fingers. Just make sure you press down and come up, so when it bleeds through, it gets on here and not your fingers, but also so you don't get this stuck to it. Now I'm gonna proceed to add more.
With maybe some more coiling around. Okay. You see? Good. Again, using this as a guard.
Putting some glue on the other side to get this leaf, you know, connected over here.
I'm saying leaf, these are petals. You know what I meant though. I'm going to use the glue to wrap this baby around.
So I'm thinking down here is a good place for a pocket, somewhere kind of low, but not too low. Yeah, it's looking like I'm gonna need to do a full 360, you know.
Hold it real tight. Fortify as much as possible.
Hey, we got a pocket. Again, we want a nice secure pocket here. We want to make sure that things actually stay in the pocket. Nice little pocket there. That's dope. This is the second pocket I got. Pocket with a window. And this is going to be for the other one.
So this pocket, this one actually might be a little trickier to connect.
I think I just need to cut this. Yeah, that's what I need to do. So it's really about the top. All right, so I'm gonna tailor this to the area. All right, so I think it'll be very secure if this wraps around here, but for something to be able to go in easily, this needs to be, you know, so I cut off the edges of this so that when I close it, it can just be a simple close like that.
It's secure on the rest of it. Even up here, to make sure it's glued really well. I don't want any of this coming off.
It's time for some stickers. The back doesn't only looks like it has these things to keep them down, so I'm gonna continue to super glue these just so that they really stay.
On the back of here, and I'm now sticking it on here. Blow, blow. Ow! I'm having too much fun now. Okay. Now I'm going to press it on. Press it on. Press it on.
All right, y'all. So I have finished pimping out my crutches, and now it's time for the final result. Are you ready for this?
awesome pockets, just showing you how they work. I put a few different things in here just so you could see. And this pocket even extends around to where things can hang in the back. And there you have it. Crutches you'll never be ashamed of. Oh wow, that feels amazing under my armpits. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and plush. Now this is how you roll around on crutches. I feel so fabulous. I feel like amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.